This is consistent with the dot plots. It shows.
I really like the hands-on approach. It's unique. It's different than many other classes I've taken.
What's beneficial is that you get to apply all the different concepts you learn.
We're in the Dreyfuss Family Fixed Income Fund, where we actually look at the market on a macroeconomic level, and we determine if those markets are good for us to put the donors' money in.
This class was made possible by the Dreyfuss family, hence the Dreyfuss Family Fixed Income Fund. They made a very generous donation that got this started. They get trained on Bloomberg, they'll be Bloomberg certified, similar to the Eberhard Student Investment Fund, but their big focus is on fixed income, and that's a space that usually doesn't get taught in undergraduate curriculum.
The experience and the Bloomberg capabilities is a game changer on a resume as well as an interview, because students can go through the process of how they serve as a role of a sector analyst.
The work you do actually matters. Reading the news and doing research on different trends will help a lot, regardless of whatever industry you go into within finance.
I've actually used this on my resume a lot, especially with the Fixed Income Fund, since we've been establishing the fund and actually learning how to structure it. So that hands-on experience has helped me add leadership to my resume.
It's something that I know many universities do not have, so having the access, doing it here at University Pacific is very unique and something that I think all students can take something out of.